Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. Just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to find a few things in Google Classroom. Just based on some of the questions that I've been getting, hopefully this will be helpful for you. So right now this is sixth grade art, but all of my Google Classroom pages are set up the same as far as the structure, just to keep some continuity from class to class. So the first thing, there is when you go up to classwork here, there is an intro section. This intro section, if I click on that, it's going to show me an e-learning guide. So this e-learning guide has everything. Let it load a minute. This is going to have every single thing that you need for the entire time we're doing this online learning. So uh, you'll see going through this section, there's videos, with my wonderful face there. So uh, you've got those. There's also just some general information. There's everything's broken down by week. So here's last week, week one. Going down, week two, going from there. So whether you are in sixth grade art or advanced painting or anything in between, it's going to be set up exactly the same. So we'll get out of that. So intro, that is where you're going to find that document. I'm also linking up that document. If you go scroll down, you'll see each week listed out with the assignment. So you'll see each week there's the Monday check-in, okay, and then there will be the assignment itself. So, week one, there's the information there, and there will also be any resources that you need linked up there as well. And those are all the same resources that are in that e-learning guide. So week two, same thing. So for my classes that are doing the Intro to Color Theory assignment this week, if you have not done that yet, you've still got time, don't worry. But all of the information you'll need is found right in there. So make sure that you are reading the directions, you're going through looking at the attached resources, all of that stuff is there. Now, there's also a really handy feature in Google Classroom. If you go up to the top, under classwork here, there's a spot that says Google Calendar. You click that, it's going to open your personal Google Calendar, and it's going to show you all of your due dates for everything for all of your classes. So if you feel like your classes, you're having a hard time organizing and keeping track of everything, right over here you'll see it tells me all of the assignments that are due for each week for all of my classes. So another little handy feature. So that also can be accessed if you go up to the left hand corner. You got the little your little sandwich menu icon. There's classes, there's also calendar. So you'll see the same thing there with all of your other classes. Now, whenever you are submitting your final assignment for the week, make sure to go under whatever week we're in. So right now we're in week two. Click the assignment. Again, mine is the teacher side, so it's showing you something a little different. But you'll be able to go in and turn in your assignment and make sure to attach your work there. So if you're having any trouble with that or any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help. Hopefully this short tutorial is helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing your artwork this week.